Now, second one more. See here, sir. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. What is an isosceles trapezium? Isosceles trapezium means opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and non-opposite sides are non-opposite sides are equal. Non-opposite sides are equal. Non-opposite sides are equal. That means the figure is like this. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. AB is parallel to CD, opposite sides. Non-opposite sides, right, are equal. That means here it is nothing but AC is nothing but BD. This is an original GRE question, sir. AD is nothing but 15. Height is nothing but 9. Height of it is nothing but 9. Find the area of the trapezium ABCD. Find the area of the trapezium ABCD. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. A trapezium is a subset of quadrilateral, which is a four-sided closed figure with some conditions attached, where the opposite sides are parallel. And it is given that isosceles. Isosceles means non-parallel sides are equal. This is an original GRE question. Original GRE question. But unfortunately, most of the students are in our school days, it is taught that area of a trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Some of the parallel sides values are not given. So it becomes complex. Now we will use the concept of virtual positioning. We will use the concept of virtual positioning. We will use the concept of virtual positioning. This is nothing but a height of a trapezium. Height of a trapezium always remains same. So this is same, this is same. AC and BD, these also same. So what you do is, you take a scissor and cut this portion. If I cut this portion and if I shift it, this portion I will put it on this BD. I can safely cut and put it. Why? Because AC and BD both are same. So I will shift it, AC portion I will keep it on BD. So if I keep it on BD, the figure became a rectangle. Diagonal is given as 15. It is given as 9. So if these 90 degrees, these nothing but 12. Why? Because of Pythagorean triplet. 15 square is nothing but 9 square plus x square. X is 12. These nothing but 12. These nothing but 9. These nothing but 12. So total area of the rectangle is nothing but 9 into 12, which is nothing but 108. Right? It is nothing but, right? 108, it is the answer. Here I assumed that AB is parallel to. AB is parallel to, right? So it is nothing but non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides are equal. This is the exact way of putting it. It is not non-obtuse. Yes, Saima, you are right. Opposite sides are parallel, non-parallel sides are equal. I hope you have understood the beautiful way of solving this question by using virtual positioning. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful way of solving. Virtual is nothing but unreal. Virtual is nothing but an unreal. I hope it is clear. One more question I will solve. Exactly only because of this content. When a class is announced, at that time you have to sit and listen to the class. No repeat telecast. And thanks to about 31 students who have purchased the course in a 90 minutes time. The students keep saying that, sir, I am really not bothered about whether my friend is purchasing or not. I need to get a job. What you are teaching, nothing I knew it. And I think that I am good in aptitude because I am solving RS Agarwal. You made me realize my worth in aptitude and I cannot kill my preparation. I am also planning to write CAT examination, out of which 13 to 14 students purchased CAT course. Right? I hope it is clear, right? Harshita, again I will repeat, please make a note of it. It is non-parallel sides are equal. Saima and Shunkari, yes, you both are right and I am wrong. This ideally should be parallel sides. I hope it is clear. Harshita, you want me to repeat it again? So the diagram is like this. AB and CD are parallel, non-parallel sides are equal. These A, B, and it is C, and it is D. These the altitude, the perpendicular dropped from an opposite vertex, which is the height. AC and BD both are equal. This and this both are equal. This and this both are equal. So cut these side of the figure. Cut it with a scissor. Go and keep AC and BD remaining portion will be like this. The figure became a rectangle. Diagonal is given as 15. D is given as 9. So this value is nothing but 12 because it is nothing but a perpendicular. D is nothing but a 12. So 9 into 12 is nothing but 108. 108. I hope it is clear. Next one, third one. Virtual positioning. Suppose ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. You can do a lot of questions based upon this one, sir. These is nothing but 150 degrees. These is nothing but a 150 degrees. These is nothing but a 105 degrees. These is nothing but an 105 degrees. 105 degrees. Just 1 minute, sir. One important call from Srinidhi. Srinidhi students, so your directors and other people are in touch with you in terms of listening to the classes. So these ABCD, nothing. BC is nothing but 12 units. BC is nothing but 12 units. AC is how much? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Inscribed or ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral where a circle can be circumscribed. A circle can be circumscribed. So if a circle can be circumscribed on these quadrilateral, what do you mean by circumscribed? The circle which touches the vertices of a quadrilateral. Circle which touches the vertices of a quadrilateral. See here, sir. Most of the students will think that it is a difficult question. For your information, this is a CAT replica question. You will understand the kind of questions that are asked in CAT. Now see here. Lot of people will do perpendiculars and other things. So probably what you can do is, if this is 150 degrees, this is nothing but 210 degrees. If this is right, circumscribes 3 vertices, 3, okay. You don't need this point also. If I take this point, then this concept will have some exceptions, right? So these 210 degrees. If this is 210 degrees and it is 105 degrees, if I take a C as a center of the circle, center, and draw a circle, these is nothing but a circle where it is touching the circle at 3 points. That is the reason I omitted this line. Otherwise, it would have touched 4 points. Then this concept will not hold good. These 210 degrees. So these 210, these 105. 210 and 105. What is the relationship? 210 is 2 times 105. That means C is the center of the circle. If C is the center of the circle, BC is nothing but radius. What is AC? AC is also nothing but radius. This is a very beautiful way of asking one simple concept. Angle formed at the center. Angle formed at the center. It is 2 times the angle formed at the 2 times the angle formed at the circumference. Only basic concepts are only asked. So, angle formed at the circumference, right? These high level, I don't want to go for it. So simple basic level virtual positioning I wanted to show you. This is 150 degrees. This will be 210 degrees. 210 is 2 times 105 degrees. That means C is the center of the circle. If C is the center to any point on the circle, this is nothing but the radius. AC is nothing but 12 units. AC is nothing but 12 units. I hope the idea it is clear how beautifully some of the easy concepts can be solved. Sir, why it is twice? If you want that proof, last proof I will give you. Suppose see here, this is a circle. This is a circle. Now see here, this is nothing but angle in a semicircle. It is nothing but 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. 90, 90, 90, shift here and it will come here. It is a straight line 180 degrees. Angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. This is a point on the circumference. Point on the circumference. Point on the circumference. Proof clear? Or you can also do a proof, other proof. This angle in a semicircle is nothing but 90 degrees. Assume that this is a water image. This is a water bed. If I shift the graph to the down, this is also 90 degrees. This is just the reflection along the x-axis. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, it is 180 degrees. You don't need any of the theorems to prove this. Just through diagrams, you can prove it very, very easily. I hope you enjoyed just understanding of virtual positioning. Again, I will repeat, virtual positioning. Virtual is nothing but unreal positioning. In all the geometry related problems, what I will do is, I will make it unreal positioning and I will draw the problems accordingly. I hope you enjoyed this virtual positioning concept. Kindly reply in the live chat if you all enjoyed this virtual positioning concept. Virtual positioning concept, once you all say that it is clear to you, then I will go to next concept. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Idea clear? Kindly reply it in the live chat if everything is clear to you. Right? Everybody kindly reply. Now, concept number, what we discussed, time period angle we discussed imaginary clock, we discussed virtual positioning. Next, concept number 4. Problems based on coincidence. Problems based on coincidence. Problems based on coincidence. What is these problems based on coincidence? First, we will see the concept. Suppose there is a clock. Let me take the clock. If you see this clock, total there are 60 divisions in a clock. 60 divisions in a clock. If you see your watch, or if you see, there will be slant 5 lines. Total there are 60 divisions in a clock. And there are total 12 hours in a clock. Total 12 hours are there in a clock. So 1 hour, it is nothing but 5 divisions. 1 hour, it is nothing but 5 divisions. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Speed of our hand, 1 hour. 1 hour, it is nothing but 60 minutes. In 1 hour, our hand will go 5 divisions. In 1 hour, it will go 5 divisions. This is nothing but 1/12 division per minute. Speed in terms of division per minute is 1/12 division per minute. If I take speed of a minute hand, if I take same 60 minutes, in every 1 minute, right, minute hand will go to 1 divisions. So 60 minutes, it will go to 60 divisions. That means these nothing but 1 division per minute. 1 division per minute. That means speed of minute hand is greater than speed of hour hand. Speed of minute hand. Initially, both of them are together at 12 o'clock. Both of them are moving in the same direction. If both of them moves in the same direction, time is nothing but d by s1 minus s2. D is total 60 divisions are there. So, it is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 12. It is nothing but 60 into 12 by 11, which is nothing but 720 by 11, which is nothing but 65 5 by 11 minutes. 65 5 by 11 minutes, which is nothing but 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes, which is nothing but 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. Extremely important slide, right? I will write a point, then you take a screenshot, right? Both the hour hand and minutes hand, both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide after every 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. Please make a note of it. Both the hour hand and the minutes hand will coincide after every 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. Please make a note of it and take a screenshot of it. Rekha, what is your doubt, Rekha? Right? I don't know what is your doubt. You just said isosceles trapezium. I am unable to understand exactly what is the doubt. Please take a screenshot of it. Rekha, specify the doubt in detail so that I can help you out. 12 hours 60 divisions, 1 hour 5 divisions. Speed is distance by time. Speed of our hand is 5 by 60, 1 by 12 division per minute. These 1 division per minute. Time is, if both the bodies are moving in the same direction, it is time equivalent to d by s1 minus s2. d by s1 minus s2. Very, very important. Both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide for every 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. 5 by 11 minutes. I hope it is clear. Now another important point. Please make a note of it. That means in a 12 hours, if they are coinciding after every 1 hour, they would have met 12 times. But they are coinciding after 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. Please write down. Hour hand and minutes hand. Hour hand and minutes hand will coincide. Hour hand and minutes hand will coincide after every 1 5 by 11 minutes. 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. 1 hour. Hour hand and minutes hand will coincide after every 1 5 by 11 minutes. Right? Sankirt, have patience. I did not discuss how many times it will coincide. Right? No, in 24 hours they will coincide 22 times only. I will come to it. Just hold on. Right? Thematic based learning. Please have patience. Don't ask me at the beginning only who is Kattappa, all these things. Please enjoy the movie based upon the screenplay. Hours hand and minutes hand will coincide after every 1 5 by 11 minutes. Both the hour hands and minutes hand, they are together at hour hand and minute hand. They are together at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Suppose if it is from 1 to 2. After 1 hour, 1 5 by 11 minutes. 1 5 by 11 minutes. After 1 hour, 12 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 05 is 5 by 11. If it is from 2 to 3. After 1 hour, 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 by 11 plus 5 by 11, 10 by 11. 2 to 3. Again it is 3 to 4. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. 10 plus 5 is nothing but 15. 15 by 11 is 1 4 by 11. These is nothing but 3:16, 4 by 11. This is the coincidence time between 3 to 4 p.m. Between 3 to 4 p.m. What is the time at which they will coincide? At which they will coincide. Now see here, sir. See this clock. Now the time is 9:30. 9:30. Our hand is at 9. Minutes hand is at 6. These minutes hand will come and they too will coincide. At what time they will coincide? Between 9 to 10. That also we will see it right now. So 3:16, 4 by 11 is the coincidence timing. How many times I am adding 1 hour 5 by 11? 1 hour 5 by 11. One time I am adding, twice I am adding, thrice I am adding. That means if I want between 3 to 4 p.m., if I want between 3 to 4 p.m., 1 hour 5 by 11 is added thrice. A is added thrice. It will become 3 into A. So it is into 3. This is nothing but 3:15. 15 by 11 is 4 by 11. This is nothing but 3:16, 4 by 11. 3:16, 4 by 11. If it is 8 to 9 p.m., if it is 8 to 9 p.m., this is nothing but 155 by 11 into 8. 155 by 11 into 8. So 8 5s are 40. 40 by 11 is nothing but 37 by 11. These is nothing but 843 7 by 11. 843 7 by 11. I hope it is clear. So they will keep on meeting after 1 hour 5 by 11. 1 hour 5 by 11. So one time, twice, thrice. So 155 by 11 is added thrice. So it is into 3. So it is 3:15. 1 4 by 11. 1 is carried. So it is 3:16, 4 by 11. Please write down a point here. Multiply the hour hand. Multiply the hour hand. Multiply the hour hand with 155 by 11. Multiply the hour hand with 155 by 11. Multiply the hour hand position with 155 by 11. You will get the coincidence timing. Suppose if it is 7 to 8 p.m. They will keep on coinciding after 1 hour 5 by 11 minutes. 7 times I have to add. From 12 to 155 by 11, 1 to 2, 12 to 3, like that. So these is nothing but 7 5s are 35. 35 by 11. 11 3s are 33. So it is 3 2 by 11. These is nothing but 738 2 by 11. 738 2 by 11. Suppose if I see between 11 to 12 p.m. Between 11 to 12 p.m. If you observe 155 by 11 into 11, these is nothing but 11. 55 minutes. Again it is nothing but 5 minutes, which is nothing but 12 o'clock. That means between 11 to 12, it is not coinciding. 1 to 2, there is a coinciding. 2 to 3, there is a coinciding. These is a coinciding. Here there 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 is a coinciding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 11 to 12. 11 to 12, between there is no coinciding. From 12 to 1, at 12 o'clock there is a coinciding. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1, 11. That means in 12 hours, both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide 11 times. I hope it is clear. 11 to 12, 12 to 1, they will coincide at 12 o'clock. So that means in a 24 hours, they will coincide how many times? 22 times. If it is in a 48 hours, how many times they will coincide? 44 times they will coincide. Please make a note. Sankirth beta, I hope it is clear to you. So from 1 to 11, every 1 hour there is a coinciding time. 11 to 12, 12 to 1. It will coincide at 12 o'clock. It will coincide. So if I count the coincident timing, again from 12, again from 1 to 5. It is clear. I hope it is clear. So totally, right, in a 12 hours, this is the most repeated question that is asked in various aptitude exams. Both the hour hand and minutes hand, both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide. Both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide 11 times in 12 hours, 22 times in 24 hours, 44 times in 48 hours. I hope this idea it is clear. Sankirtu beta, I hope it is clear. Now, let me solve this problem in another method. Another method. So, what we did is, method number 1 is, method number 1, multiply the hour hand position. Multiply the hour hand position. Multiply the hour hand position with 155 by 11 minutes. 155 by 11 minutes. Method 2. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. How to solve it? This method you will not find it in any of the regular textbooks. So the question is, at what time between the following timings, at what time between the following timings, at what time between the following timings will both the hands of a clock, will both the hands of a clock, will both the hands of a clock coincide? Will both the hands of a clock coincide? At what time? Suppose if it is 3 to 4 p.m. 3 to 4 p.m. Listen carefully. At what time between the following timings will both the hands of a clock coincide? 3 to 4 p.m. These in the form of a clock. Our hand is at 3 o'clock. Minutes hand is at, right, 12 o'clock. 3 to 4 p.m. Now, if you see here, try to visualize, sir. 3 to 4 p.m. These minutes hand speed is greater than hour hand. This is going slowly, 1 by 12 division per minute. This is going fast, 1 division per minute. Minutes hand speed is greater than hour hand. It will go slowly. Time is nothing but d by S1 minus S2. 12 to 3, there is 3 hours gap. 12 hours is nothing but 60 divisions. 1 hour is nothing but 5 divisions. Totally 3 hours. 3 hours means 3 into 5. 15. What is the speeds? 1 minus 1 by 12. Listen carefully, sir. This is nothing but 3 into 5 into 12 by 11. Now, if you observe closely, directly we can tell it. This is nothing but an hour hand position. These 5 into 12 by 11. The speed will not change. Speed of hour hand is 1 by 12 division per minute. Speed of minutes hand is 1 by 12 division per minute. This will not change. 1 hour 5 divisions, it will not change. That means 5 into 12 by 11. 60 by 11 will not change. That means another way to look at it in terms of divisions is multiply the hour hand. Multiply the hour hand with 60 by 11. With 60 by 11 is in terms of divisions. With 65 by 11 in terms of minutes. I hope you have understood the difference. 12 to 3 gap is 3 hours, 1 hour 5 divisions divided by 11 by 12. Numerator it is 12 by 11. So it is nothing but 3 into 60 by 11. It is nothing but 3 into 60 by 11. It is quite visible in your answer option, right? 3 into 60 by 11. 16 4 by 11 past 3 o'clock. 16 4 by 11 past 3 o'clock. Suppose if it is 5 to 6 p.m. Directly the answer is 5 into 60 by 11 past 5 o'clock. 5 into 60 by 11 past 5 o'clock. If it is 8 to 9 p.m. answer is nothing but 8 into 60 by 11. if it is 2 to 3 p.m. I hope you all understood it very, very clearly. 2 into 60 by 11. Why it is 2 into 60 by 11? Time is distance by S1 minus S2. Our hand is at 2 o'clock. 1 hour 5 division. 2 into 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 12. So 2 into 5 into 12 by 11. 2 into 5 into 12 by 11. I hope it is clear for you, right? It is clear for you. From where these 5 into 12 by 11 came into picture? These nothing but, time is nothing but distance by S1 minus S2. If it is 5 to 6 p.m., our hand is at 5. Minutes hand is at 12. It has to travel 5 hours. 12 hours is nothing but 60 divisions. If 12 hours is 60 divisions, 1 hour is nothing but 5 divisions. I require 5 hours. Hours, how many divisions? It has to travel 5 into 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 12. The magical number is 60 by 11. 60 by 11. Multiply the hour hand. Multiply the hour hand with 60 by 11. I hope it is clear. Any question you can solve. Just look at me and try to answer. 3 to 4 p.m. 3 into 60 by 11. 5 to 6 p.m. 5 into 60 by 11. 8 to 9 p.m. 8 into 60 by 11. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if coincidence concept is clear. There is no doubt that you will get in my class. Everything will be a very smooth, very easy to understand, non-formula based approach, thematic based approach, easiest method, fastest method, smartest way of looking at the question. Smartest way of looking at the question. I hope it is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Coincidence. I hope it is clear. Next, concept number